Oops, there it is. Hey, welcome to the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We got a hold of one of these 2048 watt hour OUPES batteries the other day. Right now we're charging it. We got 1415 watts coming into this from the power cord. We're actually charging it off our off-grid system here while we're testing it. And we ran this 20 cubic foot freezer fridge and that 13 cubic foot freezer overnight for 14 hours. And this was at 100%. We started at 6, and at 8 o'clock in the morning, it was at 23%. So we've been charging it for a few minutes and it's already up to 46%. So we've already doubled what our battery bank is in just a few minutes. I mean, if 2048 watts right here, at almost 1500 watts, you're talking a little over an hour to charge this thing up from 23%, maybe an hour. So now we used solar the other day and tried solar. We had 1800 watts of portable solar and we were able to get 1200 watts. You can go up to 2100 watts on this thing. If you can do that, you can maybe get 1600 watts, which is equivalent to this cord being plugged in. So that would charge you in a little over an hour. Once you got it charged up, you could run one of these mini splits. Those will use anywhere from like 300 watts to 1200 watts, depending on whether it's 80 degrees or 115 degrees outside, while you're running your fridge and freezer and some lights. And this one was just insanely cheap. I mean, they had these for $619 the other day with a 5-year warranty. I mean, you buy one of these and you get some portable solar, or you can do like I did. I bought 8. You can get 8 250 watt solar panels, like 25, 30 bucks a piece. I mean, you're talking under $1,000, and with wire, you have a backup system that can keep your window air conditioner or mini split running and be able to keep your food from spoiling on you and keep the lights on. So great for your home for storms or for your RV. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you would like to collaborate with me and contact me about sending me some products, testing them for you, doing reviews for you, you can contact me at DIYSolarGuy1@gmail.com. Have a truly wonderful and extremely blessed day, and we will see you in the next video.